Hi everyone, welcome to yet another beautiful day. Hope you all are safe and doing well. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I made this nutritious avocado toast or avocado omelette you can call. Do watch it till the end, you'll like it. As we all know, eggs are very nutritious and they contain good amount of protein in it. So adding a little bit of vegetables or fruits like avocado and some spices make it more interesting. You can actually have it any time of the day. Now take an avocado, cut it, remove the seed inside and extract the fruit. You can use your fruit cutting skills here. We can chop these avocados into smaller pieces. I'm also using one onion, which I'll be chopping it fine. Now beating 2 eggs in a bowl and adding some salt as per the requirement. Also adding a little garlic powder to it and also some red chilli flakes. You can also add some black pepper if you want to. And beat these eggs properly. I'm adding some olive oil in the pan. Once it's ready, adding these chopped onions to it. Stir it well, wait till the onions turn slightly golden brown. Now we can add these avocados and mix it well. Stir it and let them cook in the low flame for 2 minutes. Now at this point you can do 2 things. You can actually let it cool down and mix it with the beaten eggs and pour it again in the saucepan. Or what I'm going to do now is I'm just getting everything in the middle and now adding the beaten egg with all the other ingredients on top of it. Since my pan is too big for these 2 eggs, I'm taking everything to the center, to middle, so that the omelette is small and sweet. You can also use a smaller pan if you want to. Now at this point, adding some coriander leaves on top of it and also some mozzarella cheese. You can also add some spring onions if you have at home. It tastes really well. Now after adding all these ingredients, we can close the lid and leave it in the low flame for another 5 minutes. Before taking it down, I'm adding little paprika to it. Now our yummy, nutritious avocado omelette is ready. We can serve it hot. I hope you liked watching today's video. Do try this recipe and share me your feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell at the bottom so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in another vlog.